Do you want to learn how to front loop double crochet stitch? If you do, this is the video for you. I'm going to walk you step by step and slowly and in clear details through how to complete the front loop double crochet stitch. If you can double crochet stitch, you can front loop double crochet stitch. It's pretty easy and it gives this beautiful detail here to your crochet projects. I'm Rachel from Hope Corner Farm, and by day I'm a home ec teacher who teaches hundreds of students how to crochet. And if you're ready to learn, let's grab a hook and some yarn and we'll get crocheting. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell so you get notifications of when I post new videos, and don't forget to give me some feedback on this video. Give me a like or a comment, let me know what I did well or things that I could improve upon. So for the back loop double crochet stitch, you have to have a row of stitching to crochet into. So right here I've got a foundation double crochet stitch here. I've got a few of them right here, and we're going to work into these stitches. If you want to learn how to foundation double crochet stitch, I've got a link to a video below that takes it really super slow. So let's get started on the back loop double crochet. Now I like to start my double crochets by chaining 2, and I turn. Now, you could start right away front loop double crocheting, but I like how it looks when I put a regular double crochet into the first stitch. So I'm going to go ahead and put a regular double crochet stitch into that first stitch. I feel like it gives me a little bit straighter of an edge. Total personal preference. You could start right away front loop double crocheting if you would like. Now we're ready to front loop double crochet stitch. I'm going to show you here the top of the stitches, and that's really important because we're talking about the loops here. So when we talk about working into a front loop only, we're working into the loop that is closest to you as a crocheter. Back loop is always the loop that is farthest away from you as a crocheter. So for the front loop double crochet stitch, we're going to work into these front loops only. So normal stitches pick up both of these loops. With either a front or a back loop, you're going to work either in the front or around the back. You're going to leave one of them out. So how do we do this? Now where we go is a little bit different with a front loop double crochet stitch. So what we're going to do is we're going to yarn over, and we're going to come from below. So I've yarned over. I'm kind of holding it in place with my index finger here. I'm going to come from below, and I'm actually going to pop up right in the middle of the top of that stitch. That way I'm picking up the front loop only. So again, I'm kind of coming at an angle from below. I'm popping up into the middle of that stitch and picking up only one of the loops. If I were doing a regular double crochet, notice I'd have both of those loops. But again, this is a front loop double crochet stitch. So I'm going to come and I'm going to pick up that front loop only. I'm going to pop up through the middle there. Now I'm going to yarn over and kind of pull down. Now I've got 3 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over, pull through 2 of those loops. Now there's 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 more loops. And that completes one front loop double crochet stitch. Now it doesn't look like much on this side, but I'll show you what it looks like once we get to the end of the row here, what this side back here looks like. So again, we yarn over, we come from below, we pop up in the middle of that stitch, in the middle of the V from the stitch. We are picking up only the front loop. We're going to yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, pull through 2 loops, yarn over again, pull through 2 loops. Whoops. And that completes the second one. So I'm going to keep repeating this process across the row, and I'll show you what it looks like to go to a second row of front loop double crochet stitches. So I'm just repeating the process for each of these stitches where I yarn over, kind of come from below, pick up that front loop only by coming up in the middle of the stitch, yarn over, kind of pull down, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And then again, I like to end and put my last stitch as a regular double crochet stitch. Again, you could pick up just the 1 loop and do a front loop double crochet. Totally doable. I just like how it looks when I do a regular double crochet at the end. Total personal preference. So that's the first row of front loop double crochet stitches. Again, it doesn't look much different, but if you look at the back side, all of a sudden you can see this line that is created by front loop double crocheting. And this line is actually created by not using that back loop. The line is the back loop that we didn't work into. So let me show you what a second row looks like and what it would look like if you work a front right away a front loop double crochet stitch. So for a second row, I would chain 2 again, and I would turn. Now, if I wanted to start off right away working front loop double crochets, I would just yarn over, come from below, pick up that front loop only, yarn over, pull through. Now I've got 3 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over, I'm going to pull through 2 of those loops, and then I'm going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and that completes the first one. So yarn over, come from below, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And that's the front loop double crochet stitch. It's a pretty easy stitch to get the hang of, but it gives kind of a nice different looking detail to your crochet projects. If you're wanting to learn how to front loop, use the front loop in other stitches, you can check out my front loop half double crochet stitch tutorial or my front loop single crochet stitch tutorial, and I'll show you those stitches using only the front loop. Now again, when we get to the very back here, if you wanted to do a regular or do a front loop double crochet here, you would just come right here at the end, pop up, so you're picking up just the 1 loop there. You're going to yarn over, pull down, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. And I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell so you get notifications of when I post new videos, and I hope you guys have a blessed day.